Folks, I'm here to tell you about the May Madness promotion from BirdDog. Those crazy blokes down under have blown everything up, and they are doing promotions that are, well, to quote our old friend Crazy Andy in New York, insane. So let's roll these May Madness promos. First and foremost, $100 off on the Studio NDI. That's their Encode Decoder SDI 2-input, 2-output device, now on sale for $5.95. Next, bundles, bundles, bundles. Crazy bundles from the boys down under. We get the P200 bundle. Free PTZ Keyboard when you buy 3 P200 cameras. What makes that even better? The P100. The P100 bundle. Buy 3 P100s, the less expensive camera, and get the keyboard and save $500, folks. That's right, you save $500. But wait, there's more. They've lowered the price on all their applications. Central Pro, Comms Pro, Multiview Pro, now just $299. Folks, we got to talk about BirdDog a little bit and what these guys are doing. BirdDog has taken NDI to the next level. All these BirdDog products support full NDI, low latency, great workflows. The folks at BirdDog, these boys know what they're doing. These are great products. This is a special that you want to take advantage of. It's a really great time to take advantage of BirdDog's May Madness promos. Well done, boys. Well done, BirdDog.